Okay, today I'm going to talk about multiple things. Keywords are like ConfD, Yang, YAML, JSON, and Go, and Helm charts. It's Kubernetes, right? I mean, so first thing is if you want to install Helm charts on Kubernetes, we do create templates, right? In the templates, takes the values right from the values.yaml. So basically it needs the set of values which is of in the form of superset of JSON kind of YAML file. So if you have a YAML file with values, those values will be used, and charts will take the input values, and it will get installed on the K8, right? Helm chart in Helm installation. Okay. How so here input is values.yaml, values.yaml file, right? So how do we get in practical things, how we generate these things? Okay, so here we have different things like ConfD. ConfD is a kind of management system over the clusters configuration. Okay, suppose you can create a CLI mode of configuration. You can publish it to the mm, you can publish the changes to the system, and that information will be intimated to the clusters. Okay, that is about the ConfD. It's a software, right? So it has a ConfD C compiler also. Okay, what is the use of this compiler? It will use the Yang data modeling language. So that modeling language has extension of .yang, and you can refer in the net what is the use of this Yang data modeling. So basically you will define a Yang file for your CLI commands. I mean, how you want to give the configuration to the clusters. Okay, so ConfD C compiler will convert this Yang file into FXS files, and these FXS files will be loaded into ConfD, and it will show the CLI for the user. So these CLIs will be used to give the input values. Okay, so user can give, suppose kind of like username. What is my username? So username will be given, and password also will be given to the CLI. So these are kind of CLIs, and these are the values we are giving: username here, password here. Okay, so now Yang file is there, that is converted into FXS files using ConfD, and using ConfD we are showing the CLI, and user can give the values to the CLIs. Okay, now these CLI values will be converted into YAML files basically. So these YAML files are like who will convert these YAML files, who will create these YAML files first thing. So whatever the values we are giving here, that will be available as a that will be those values, and these are render YAMLs. Okay, these are render YAMLs we do create. These render YAMLs plus values object. Consider that there is a values object, so it will hold all the values given in the CLI, and plus these render YAML. So these two will be by combination of these two we do create the YAML file with the actual values. Okay, and also there are templates, right? Helm templates also will use the values object. So that those values are different, those values objects are different. Okay, so once this YAML is prepared with values, this YAML having the all values is nothing but a JSON structure, right? YAML is a superset of JSON, right? So this will be available to the Helm. So you can consider this as a values.yaml file. Okay, this will be considered as a values.yaml file, and this values.yaml is available. And while converting these templates, while installing the chart and the kit, we do use templates, right? Templates will have fields like my username equal to values dot something. So the charts will be prepared and will be installed. That is one thing. And another thing is we do decode the, so whatever available in the values.ml, that will be we can access via the JSON decoder is there. So using JSON we will map the go struct. Suppose my user details is a struct. So in the user details, my username, I can say that we can map with the JSON field here, username. So this will be decoded in from JSON to go struct. Okay, this is a go struct. So go structs are available with the values. These go struct values are used internally in the programming. So finally what we achieved, whatever the values shared in the CLI are available in the application, and the application, in the application we are using them. Like consider like some of the things, like suppose validate when the request comes in. So if the username is valid one, then accept it, otherwise reject it. So which kind of conditions we can give, and not only username, password, this is for example. You can give any details okay, related to that. So that is what the thing. Thank you.